What is going on, people? It's been a long time. Hope everything's going good in your life. So, it's been a very, very long time since I found somewhere to actually explore. Haven't been out in a little while. Gotta make sure no one is coming to interrupt me. But, so. Anybody home? Oh my God. So, basically found this big old factory. We're just cruising, had to get some stuff done. That was really neat. I actually worked with these units before. There's a control arm somewhere. Oh, it's actually hanging from the thing. But you push left or right and this big machine goes that way or this way, and picks up different heavy stuff from all over the place, and just it's usually made for manufacturing. Sorry I haven't been around for a while, you guys. I've been putting out some shorts, but anybody home? Oh, I wanted to check something out. Sorry. That old ass radio. Hold on. That's what I always check. December of 2022. Oops, is when that was looked at. But oh man, am I glad to make a video, man. I missed you guys so much. Miss Irene Watts, she writes me once in a while just to make sure I'm still alive, because ideally I used to put out a video once a week at a minimum, and because of work and whatnot. These are all hydraulic oil and lubricants for those big machines you saw. But I had a couple people, and obviously all the stuff you would harness yourself up if you're going up. Oh, look at this thing. That metal. Is it a milling machine? Slide gear. Oh, and there's still a piece of pipe in here. That's neat. This is so freaking cool. I miss this so bad, you guys. I really do. It's really dope that I still have people that go out of their way to write me just to say hey. 3,000 hours on this thing. That's a lot for those. So neat. That's where you drain your oil into. Yeah, man, I've worked on so many things like this. It's unbelievable. Air dryer. Okay, so that you put that hood on, and this is for sandblasting. I tried all the doors. Nothing says no trespassing. You know me, I don't do that. But tried all the doors. They were all locked. And just said, I'll go around. And the side one was open. I was so happy. These are for making pallet racks. They click into those. I was actually in a pallet rack making company. Well, we installed them. We didn't make them. It was just a wash basin. Man, did I miss you guys. Jesus. Let me tell you. Turn upstairs. I like to get a date on things. Oh, the clock's still... Is that correct? Yeah, it's a little off. That clock died at 4:45. That's still plugged in. This is still plugged in. All the lights are Tito's. So this is obviously for the workers. I don't know what kind of food that is. I'm not going to touch it. Oh, there's still some. So I looked on the company's Facebook page, and oh, look at that scale. That's so neat. That's so freaking cool. There's 505 pounds. Well, it says 505. I don't know. Probably 5 pounds. But where I grew up, there was a big Toledo scale. That's just to wrap stuff. There's a big Toledo scale that we always used to stand on as kids. Always found that neat. Let's see. Same thing. For one, I am out of breath. For two, it's freezing cold. And for three, I'm not gonna lie, it's been so long since I found somewhere. Anybody home? Oh, the heat's on. Oh man. What's the heat on? There's another boardroom. Alright, alarm system seems to be active. That's wonderful. It says it's 60 in here. Front office. I showed cameras that I'm watching them too, so they know I'm not causing anything. Disarm chime, ready to arm. So okay, maybe the alarm isn't on, but I did glance over and see. Oh, there's a picture of people golfing. That's actually really neat. How many bathrooms does one freaking company need? Jesus. Empty room. I was passing and I did see something that said north entrance something or other. So bathrooms. Oh hell no. Alright, fuck it. Oh, sorry, didn't mean this for anybody home? Holy God, I missed this so bad. Basically just storage at this point. How far does it go back? Oh, cold, neat. I miss this adrenaline pumping kind of thing, but at the same time, I've been done doing the prison thing for a long time. It's a newer security TV box. Oh man, there's all sorts of schematics. I don't want to get in anything. I don't want to get any personal details. There's a laptop. We are not thieves on this channel. We're not touching that. It's a Wii Sport thing. Pretty heavy too. It still might be in there. Drill back. Floppy disks. Come on, bro. How far back? You gotta have dates on it. 5, 10, 2003. 2006, work orders, purchase orders, store and everything. Oh, come on. 17-inch high resolution color monitor. That's got to be worth like at least $12 or something at a thrift store. It's a ventilation shaft. That, okay, there's a dead mouse on the floor. I won't get that on camera. We've got a couple of people who don't like to see that stuff. Oh, look at that. It's a little globe. That's freaking neat. Some mattresses, another bicycle. That one looks usable. That one looks good. A lot of kids stuff. Maybe the owner's kids or something. So neat. So cool. We are in Illinois right now. I do not know what part. I know we're in Illinois. Actually, scratch that. I might be in Indiana. Well, car seat. Pears and oranges. Nothing in there. Kids bike helmet. American Airlines. I don't want to get any personal info anywhere. But you could tell that we're going to start redoing it, or maybe they did. Generally, I like to smell to see if there's any recent paint or oh, that's their old mailbox. Okay, so it says there's a for rent sign. I don't want to get the number on, but it says 10,000 square feet, warehouse with overhead cranes and front offices. Yep, that would be here. Okay, now this is the only no trespassing sign I've seen, and it's inside. So, assuming I'm already here, I don't know what the hell to say. I'll typewriter. All right. Well, since the heat keeps kicking on and off, and the lights turn on when I walk past them, I'm sure that there are people that come here and work or visit their stuff or whatever. Why would you spend the money on heating the place? Oh, there you go. That's the door I came in. All right. Well, oh man. So, I'm sorry it's not as exciting. Oh yeah. So this thing, you take this off, you hold this and you move it, whatever, up and down for this guy. And the same thing for those. There should be a. There's the sprinkler. Huh. No, maybe on that side I might have missed it somewhere. But okay, look at that. Out of service, do not use. Is it Narnia in the middle there? What the hell? Alright, you guys. And you know what? That clock actually looks like something they might have built. It looks like a hubcap. Neat. Alright. Well, everybody, like I said, big shout out to all you guys. I know I already said it, but Irene has been incredible. She literally gets a hold of me. I got over 1,300 subscribers, and it's like once every month or so she'll get a hold of me and just to check up and see that I'm okay, which is just, I always say I have the best people. Oh, this was autumn. Oh man, that's so cool. So that is what did those. Ours actually had a long string that came down and you had to use it that way. Okay, I quit smoking, so I'm straight. All right, I'm out of here. Don't want to get in any trouble. I'm just here to document. But again, it was awesome to see you guys, or well, do this. I'll send these guys a check for like $8 because I used some of their electricity and heat. I wonder why everything's still on. And I hear a buzzing, so there's some kind of generator on somewhere, some kind of power source. Maybe to show to prospective buyers when they come that everything works. All the main fuses are shut, but I saw on the other one that they're all flipped on. But, alright, y'all. Man, imagine what they, I mean, this could have been made for anything. But, alright, you guys have a great day. Get the hell up out of here. And what's weird is it beeps every time I walk in or out. Let's see if I can get the front of this place. Another security camera. Man, they are security crazy here, but I doubt that any of them work. Like I said, 2018 was the last post on their Facebook page. And people are still out on their bikes. I just winterized mine. Alright, y'all. As always, it's just so good to see you guys. Not that again. I'm not seeing you. You're seeing me. But yeah. It's just so good. It feels so great to be back in the driver's seat per se. But I miss this. I miss this a lot. Shout out to all you guys back there. I did drive back there to see if there were any doors open, and there's no doors and just some spare wood and stuff like that. That's in that box. There's nothing but wood. But all right, I am out. Hope you guys are enjoying life. I hope your day's going wonderful. If not, turn that crap around. And I will be back out soon trying to find some other stuff. But I live in Chicago and I got to come out to this to find the stuff that I'm able to film. So it's a long drive and a lot of planning and all that other stuff. I just passed this place by happenstance, but all right, you guys have a great day, have a great life. Talk to you in the comments. I miss you all. I miss hearing from you, and I'll see you very, oh my God, you'll see me very, very soon in some kind of video. All right, have a great day. You know the drill. I love y'all.